Remember that beautiful luxury estate that we showed in Makaha Valley on the channel a few months ago that's just right over there? We'll get some of the same views for a fraction of the price at our new listing in Makaha Valley Plantation. All right guys, today we're gonna show you our new listing in Makaha and spend a little time on the west side. It was intended to be an east to west video. We had a final walkthrough for a $1.6 million plus closing in Kailua, but that got pushed to tomorrow. We'll get some selfies and include that in the video. But today we're gonna be here on the west side, and this is, I would say, the gem of the west side. Kaha'aina Cafe. Anytime I'm here, assuming I have time, I have to dive up here and see if they're open. Some of the best views of any place you could eat on the island. The west side ocean energy is the best on the whole island, in my opinion. We're gonna go to Makaha Valley Plantation to our client's new listing. Don't mind the hat. When you bald out here, you gotta protect from the sun. But we're here in Makaha Valley Plantation. We are going up to unit 54C. One of the things I really want to show you is the ocean view. In this community, you can see it's kind of terraced, but not all of the units have ocean view. And in fact, usually only the third floor units have ocean view. Of the third floor units, they're not all equal. And that's one of the reasons you want to live out here, right? Now, you might go to the towers and get an even bigger ocean view, but you also have a different HOA and just a different living situation. Makaha Valley Plantation is more favorable to a lot of people, but if you get in here, you would like to have the view. The unit that we're gonna show you, the day this video comes out is the first time it's gonna be on the market, first Sunday that it'll be on the market. It's also modified, it's just a special unit. It's a one of a kind. The way they've changed the floor plan, the view, it's the other third floor units, but none like this one, so let's go check it out. You may notice too that the channel recently has been like, oh, here's our new listing, here's our new listing, here's our new listing. Thank you guys for going to coreteamhawaii.com and going to the bottom, filling out the contact form, hitting us up for your real estate needs in Hawaii. Increasingly so, we're getting more and more sellers reaching out because they want to see their property on the channel. They want the skills that they hear, the nuance, the straightforwardness and authenticity that they hear us display on the channel. People don't even really think about the work Kenji puts in all these videos, plus the team, our 4 assistants. It's a lot of work. So when you guys go to the website and hit us up, we really appreciate it. There are only so many points of differentiation when selling a property, but getting it on this channel and getting this exposure, it matters. In fact, these sellers, slightly awkward, I was fine with it, but they interviewed 2 of us agents at the same time, so we overlap. One of the difference makers was that we just get more exposure. Going, okay, I'll catch you when you come in, then we'll focus on like the kitchen or whatever. Okay. All right, guys. So in Makaha Valley Plantation, the units are all kind of a similar size. The first floor units have a little bigger deck, but then the third floor units have the view. For me, if you're gonna be in any of them, you wanna be first floor for the reasons of the larger deck and the quicker walk up and egress, or you want the third floor. As long as you're healthy enough to get up the stairs, the third floor gives this view. In my opinion, the best views in this community. This is like West Maui, or like this is $1 million views, right? But at a $300,000 price point. We had a year where I think we sold 3 or 4, not more than 5. We sold multiple of these. And we usually sell at least 1 or 2 a year. People call us, whether they're local or whether they're on the mainland, and they say, hey, I have cash and I want something on the island that is mine and I can control. Tired of renting, I'm a local auntie, whatever the case may be. Or sometimes it's out-of-state investor or out-of-state person who wants to move, but they don't want a mortgage, so they want to buy cash. At the $300,000 price point, it's hard to get this view and all of this for that amount in Hawaii, on Oahu nonetheless. Let's talk about this unit. I've not seen another C unit. Usually the kitchens are like this peninsula, just a regular kitchen. Long ago, they made this kitchen island. You have this butcher block cutting board looking kind of countertop. It's just a different flow, more of like an entertaining, the oven, this, all that's going on. When I came, the cabinets didn't look as good. The owners, to their credit, I don't know if they sanded, but they definitely cleaned and oiled. It looks amazing. If I just like freeze frame this right here, it's not obvious that we're in Makaha Valley Plantation. It's an elevated, bougie feel. The owners took a lot of pride in this unit, and you can't find another unit with this layout and this whole thing. You can't find it. I'll show you guys another secret. There was a split AC up here. We took it down. It's not operable, but this thing's set up for split air conditioning. You may not get approved to change the layout, or if you did, it's kind of cost prohibitive in a $300,000 place. You wouldn't, today you would not put the money in. If you bought another one of these, you'd be unlikely to demo everything and make this island these higher end wood cabinets, and the way that this pass through is, it's different than the other units. It would just cost too much today. You know, you want to put 80 grand into something that's 300,000, or you just buy this for 300,000. Show you guys the bedrooms real quick. Fresh carpet. Mahalo to our guy John for putting it in. Built-in cabinets. Let me know in the comments. If I'm a single person here, I probably don't put a TV out there. I just keep that as my open air energy vibe room. I make this like a little den or a little office with a screen there, and there's good airflow coming through here. Check out the other bedroom. These two, so these built-in, the other units don't all necessarily have all of this stuff. And or this one doesn't have the built-in cabinet, so it feels even bigger. This would be my bedroom, that would be my office, and then the kitchen dining area would just be my place to hang out, vibe, catch the views all day long. Walk-in shower for convenience, freshly painted. Oh yeah, shout outs to the owners. 8 out of 10 sellers, I'm no exception. We feel we have the best one. Well, you know, mine, you know, it's kind of east-south facing, so you only get sunlight when you want it, and then you don't have sun. Things that don't necessarily matter. All of us sellers think that we have that. But then not all of us sellers want to invest a little bit of money into painting, into doing a few things to freshen the thing up. In fact, I just got my rental ready. I didn't want to paint it, but I ended up doing it because I had a good property manager that pushed me to do it. These sellers proactively went ahead and just freshened everything up. Got fresh paint on the walls, cleaned up and oiled the cabinets. This thing is ready for you at $300,000. We're about to wrap up our time on the west side here. We were way over there in Makaha, and now we're in Mairi, kind of in the middle of the Waianae coast. Aiden had a showing to do for one of our clients, so Kenji and I said, no worries, we're on this side, we'll go ahead and bang it out. Sometimes people watch our videos and they're like, oh, I saw your west side video, you guys do a ton of west side. Or I saw your Kailua video, you guys do a ton of Kailua. We actually do a lot of business on almost the whole island. There's an area or two in the island where we don't do a ton. I've not sold a lot in Kalihi, for example, and then up like Laie. We don't do a ton of business in those two areas. But for the rest of the island, from Kailua, Hawaii Kai, all the way to the west side, we do a lot. Just so happened our team needed something today, so we stopped here in this sea of duplexes. This is a unique community. My understanding is that Japanese investors came in and they're developing this community, and then they pulled out. When you see this, it's not obvious that we're in Waianae. Unless you're from Waianae and you understand where we are, a lot of people aren't familiar with this community. I know someone who might want to sell their duplex in this community sometime soon. So if that's something you're interested in, probably a few months out on that one, let me know. That's why you should go to coreteamhawaii.com and go to the bottom and fill out the contact form and hit us up, because there's always something like that. That guy I know from my kids boxing, he just pulled me aside the other day and said, hey, I think I might want to sell this. Have someone else in Hawaii Kai who just the other day said, hey, I think I might need you to sell. We have this Makaha Valley listing. We have Mililani townhome listing. We have single family in Kapolei coming up. I actually didn't list this one, but one of my friends was selling a place in Moanalua, and although they had a prior arrangement with another agent, we knew about it before it came to market, etc. So while it's not guaranteed we have the thing that you want off market, it's possible because we do a ton of business, right? So go to coreteamhawaii.com. Hit us up. Final walkthrough you're looking for, is anything broken? Did they take anything that they weren't supposed to take? Did they leave anything that they weren't supposed to leave? It's a whole process that if you're working with us, we'll explain and fight for you should you want to be fought for. One interesting thing, look, the termite company who did the termite tenting, they left these clips in the pool, 5-6 clips in the pool